Hail State! Today's the first day of football for Mississippi State, and we have a treat for you. Hi, I'm Susan. Today, the day that I'm filming this, is the first game for Mississippi State, and our family has a tradition. We grill burgers, hot dogs, sausages, all that good stuff. But for dessert, I asked my son what he wanted, and he suggested a chocolate eclair cake. And that's what I'm gonna make. It's easy, it's fun, and I think you'll like it. So if you like recipes like this, please hit that subscribe button down below. Give me a big thumbs up. Comment, tell me what you think. Ring that bell so you can be notified. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, the first thing we need to do is we'll take a stick of butter and put it in a boiler. And this is the only time we have to use our stove. I need 1/4 cup of milk, 1/3 cup of cocoa, and 1 cup of sugar. That on. And we just want to bring this up to a boil and let it boil for 1 minute. My Aunt Hazel gave my mama this recipe, and it has been a favorite. Now we have recipes that we try, we like, it's really good, we'll eat it a few times. But this has been one that's been requested throughout my boys and my husband, the whole time we've been married. And my husband and I have been married for 32 years. We got married in '87, 33 years. And my sons like it and they request this. And it's been a while since I've made it, but this is one of those recipes I go back to. You just have those few that you make a lot. And I cut my butter up just so it would melt a little faster. And the other ingredients I'll need are graham crackers. Supposed to have a large pudding, large instant vanilla pudding. My husband got me 2 small. It's a little bit of a size different, but I can compensate that. I'm just going to do where it says for the pie and use that. You know, it'll just be a little bit more filling, and there's nothing wrong with that. But I asked for 2 or 1 on the Jell-O, which equals the same amount, but it doesn't on the pudding. But it's not much difference, and I'll just adjust. And I also have 8-ounce Cool Whip. It's not very many ingredients. The majority of this is this is the hardest part right here, and it won't take it no time. The butter's already almost melted. I'm just stirring it so it won't scorch, because I do have it on high heat, but you don't have to do it on high. Okay, it's starting to boil, and I'm going to start my timer, and it needs to boil for 1 minute. Alright. Just set that aside. Alright. Now, I'm going to do 3½ cups of milk. Like I said, if it had been large, it would have been just 3 cups. But so I'm adjusting for the more pudding. going to mix this pudding and the 3½ cups of milk. Whisk that. You can see what I'm doing, I'm sorry. Now I've got my milk and my pudding, and I'm just going to whisk that around, get it all good and mixed. Also in there. A little extra cocoa. All we have to do is fold in 8 ounces of Cool Whip, or whip top, that has been thawed. Just fold it in. You don't want to deflate it too much. And this is all there is to the filling. Swap this out. Now I'll take my graham crackers. I'm using the original. I think someone made this and used chocolate. We like the original. And you just lay your crackers across the bottom of your 9 by 13 dish. Now you just want to pour half of this over the graham crackers. Smooth it out. And put another layer of graham crackers. half of the pudding in here. And this one's so good, I added it to our church's cookbook that we did years ago. Smooth that out. And these crackers will get soft. Delicious. And you guessed it, we'll top them again with some more crackers. Now, stir our chocolate and just pour it over the top. The chocolate will get kind of you won't say chewy, but it gets a good texture to it. We'll put a cover on this, put it in the refrigerator, and let it set for a couple hours. So I'll be back then. Here it is. All this chocolatey goodness. My husband is about to take a bite right there. He's fixing to get some. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Ring that bell. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Subscribe if you haven't. So until next time, bye y'all.